Hello, beautiful souls. Mindy's Quantum Wellness here, coming to you with a brand new tarot reading for this new fall equinox we're in. How's everybody doing this fall? I'm getting out of this head cold I've been in. Definitely kicked my butt. Just wanted to have a quick look, see if there's any messages from God to help aid us, light workers, healers, star seeds, earth angels, mothers, beautiful fathers along this path. What do we need to know for this coming season? Any messages that will help us guide us through this next season? All right, let's see what's up. Ooh, first up, 9 of Cups. A wish fulfilled. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, the World. Wow, we're off to a great start. All right, what's in the past? We have the 10 of Pentacles. And in the middle, wow, this is amazing. Like, truly, we have the Star card. I mean, wow. Okay, I'll get into. This is the best card of the deck, guys. Like the Sun. Wow. I feel like crying. And here we have the Queen of Cups. No coincidence there. Lastly, we have the Hangman. Okay. And what's on the bottom of the deck? What's the energy overall? The Knight of Pentacles is on the bottom of the deck. So that's like the theme of fall. It's a very fall card, you know. He's planted his field. He's been meticulous, strategic in planting his harvest, and yeah, just he's very patient, eyes on the prize, and is not in for the quick fix dopamine hit. You know, he's in it for the long haul. So the 10 of Pentacles in the past is like saying you have been working on building a legacy for yourself and your family, or something has been legacied upon you. And that flows in to the star below. It's helping to balance out the energies, bringing you hope in this current time. There is a wish being fulfilled, a wish granted, so that you can step out into the world as your true self with your freak flag flap, you know? You know what your gifts are, where they come from. You have ancestral gifts and powers that have been passed down to you through generations, that have come up to the present moment. And you're anchoring them here on Earth as a starseed, literally. Like, you are a crystalline being. You have these powers within you to not only help yourself, but your family, your community, your friends, maybe even your enemies, you know? By you healing yourself, that ripples out into the collective. Whether they are, you know, not so pleasant people or pleasant people, everything causes a rift, a shift in the vibrational energies around you. So notice that the ripples out as she's pouring in the water. It just reverberates outward to the collective. Whatever healing you do on yourself is what helps impact the collective. The future is the sun. Like, We can't get much higher than that. There's nothing greater than the sun. It's like Christ consciousness energy, God energy, um, the golden age. Who knows? Maybe the freaking solar flash will happen. It's supposed to ascend us all and just bring us into 5D already, right? I think we've been patient enough about it. That's what the hangman is saying. So yeah, that's in the future. And then this is the advice, is the Queen of Cups and the hangman. So the Queen of Cups is like very emotional, very, has her blinders on to all her blessings around her. I mean, she's got beachfront property, but she's like just staring at this cup like, I need more. How am I going to get more kind of mentality? But she needs to like open her eyes and see everything that is around her. See things from a new perspective is what the hangman is saying. Just really enlightening yourself, having that daily practice of, whether it's the beginning of your day or the end of your day, what are you grateful for? You can just be thankful for a bed you have, a roof over your head, food in your fridge, your family, your husband, your wife, your whoever. All right, sorry about that. I had some technical difficulties. My microphone died on me while I was editing. Never mind. That's not important. Okay. So the season of autumn, right? Let's just embrace gratitude once and for all. Future minded. How can I get to that next XYZ goal? Materialism, whatever. What can I be thankful for today? What is it in my world that I'm abundant in? Whether it be your health, your family, your possessions, your car, your home. There's so many numerous things to be grateful for. So really taking up that practice. And it's also, Thanksgiving season coming up. So it's a really good time to practice gratitude and, just really taking action. What are the seeds we want to plant this season that will take us into the winter time? What is going to nourish us into that next season? I feel like practicing boundaries and knowing when to say no to things that are going to drain your energy. Preserve your energy. That is what fall is about. It's about letting go of things that no longer serve us, just like the leaves let go from the trees every fall. That is to conserve their energy. They know that winter's coming. There's going to be less food available, less light. Maybe just pull the energy inward. Take in a meditation practice. Because the Hermit's right underneath the Knight of Pentacles. So, yeah, it's about starting to turn inward, turn the energy in, and that is where you really develop your technology. That's where things come online and you can program yourself in just miraculous ways. Getting that practice of gratitude, seeing things from a new perspective, becoming enlightened with those new perspectives, being patient with yourself, being more kind to yourself. All right, y'all. I'm pretty happy with this reading. I couldn't have drawn a better spread if I had stacked the deck myself. Like, I'm blown away by what came up. God is good. That's all I have to say. Yeah, thank you for watching. If you've come this far, I appreciate you. Please take whatever resonated and leave the rest. If you would like a personal one-on-one reading with me, please feel free to reach out to me at mindysquantumwellness.com, and I'd be happy to work with you. All right. All my love your way.